Hi! Today, we're going to look at the 3 most powerful nuclear bombs. Subscribe to the Fact You channel and be the first to watch our exciting videos. Number 3. TX-21 Nuclear Bomb. Also known as the Shrimp Thermonuclear Bomb or Castle Bravo, was a weapon first tested on 1 March 1954 at Bikini Atoll in the Marshall Islands. Housed in a cylinder weighing nearly 23,500 pounds and measuring over 179.5 inches in length, the massive bomb was originally designed as a 6-megaton weapon that used lithium deuteride to power its fission reaction. However, due to errors encountered during its design by Los Alamos National Laboratory, the explosion at Bikini Atoll was nearly 3 times the predicted yield, generating nearly 15 megatons of destructive force, approximately 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bombs used on Japan during the Second World War. Within 1 second after its detonation, the nuclear weapon formed a 4.5-mile-wide fireball visible over 250 miles away. The characteristic mushroom cloud, common in nuclear blasts, reached 47,000 feet in less than a minute, with an overall width of 7 miles. Nearly 7,000 square miles of the surrounding Pacific Ocean were contaminated with radioactive debris. Areas such as Rongerik, Uchirik, and Rongelap were among the areas most affected by the falling matter. Although the TX-21 was not the largest nuclear bomb designed by the American military, it remains the largest nuclear test ever carried out by the United States. Number 2. B-41 Nuclear Bomb. This bomb, also known as the Mark 41, was a 3-stage thermonuclear weapon designed by the United States during the early 1960s. As the most powerful bomb ever constructed by the Americans, the maximum yield of the device was estimated to generate nearly 25 megatons of destructive force upon detonation. Employing deuterium-tritium as its primary, along with lithium-6 enriched deuteride for its fuel source, the B-41 utilized nuclear fusion to create its massive yield. The B-41 measured over 12 feet long, or 3.76 meters, weighed over 10,670 pounds, and was designed to be carried by the massive B-52 Stratofortress and B-47 Stratojet, with or without parachute delivery. Nearly 500 of these massive bombs were developed between 1960 and 1962, before finally being retired in July 1976, following its replacement by the B-53. Despite being smaller in yield than the most powerful bomb on our list, researchers argue that the B-41 was the most efficient thermonuclear weapon ever designed in history, maintaining the highest yield-to-weight ratio of any weapon created. In terms of power and destructive capabilities, the B-41's yield was approximately 1,136 times more powerful than the atomic bombs detonated in Japan during the Second World War. And number 1. Tsar Bomba. The RDS-220 Hydrogen Bomb, affectionately dubbed the Tsar Bomba, was the most powerful nuclear bomb ever built and was detonated by the Soviet Union on 30 October 1961 over Novaya Zemlya, just north of the Matochkin Strait. Delivered by a modified Tu-95V Soviet bomber, the bomb weighed approximately 27 metric tons, or 59,520 pounds, and was 26 feet long by 7 feet wide. Due to its tremendous size and destructive power, 50 megatons, a special parachute was constructed to slow the bomb's descent to Earth, giving the bomber crew time to fly approximately 28 miles away before the Tsar Bomba detonated. Unbeknownst to the crew, however, Soviet scientists gave the pilots only a 50% chance of actually surviving the blast once detonation occurred. At 11:32 p.m., the Tsar Bomba was dropped from an altitude of 34,500 feet and detonated approximately 4,000 meters above ground. The nuclear blast, possibly reaching a yield of 58.6 megatons, was so powerful that shockwaves were felt over 127 miles away by an observation aircraft, the Soviet Tu-16. Although the Tu-95V bomber crew survived the blast, the shockwave caught their aircraft 71 miles away, nearly downing the plane. Subscribe to the Fact You channel and watch more interesting videos.